Hey future millionaires, today I'll show you exactly how to start making money with Alibaba in 2024. I use these methods myself, and I'm about to share everything I know. Before we dig in, most people overcomplicate this. You don't need fancy strategies or complicated systems. You just need to understand the basics and take action. Here's what you need to know about selling products from Alibaba. Amazon is your first option. They do the heavy lifting through something called FBA, Fulfilled by Amazon. You buy products, send them to Amazon's warehouse, and they handle shipping to customers. When orders come in, you don't lift a finger. Amazon packs and ships everything. I started with Amazon because it's straightforward. You don't need to figure out shipping or storage. Plus, millions of people already shop there, so you get instant access to customers. Your second option is Shopify. You get your own website and complete control. You decide how everything looks, what to charge, and how to ship. The downside? You handle shipping yourself or pay someone else to do it, but you keep more profit per sale. Here's a tip most people miss. Start with just one platform. Don't spread yourself thin. Pick either Amazon or Shopify and learn it properly. I see too many beginners trying to sell everywhere at once. That's a mistake. I started with Amazon FBA because they handled logistics. This gave me time to focus on what really matters, finding good products and marketing them. Once I had that working, I expanded to Shopify. Let me be clear, this isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building a real business. You'll need to research products, understand your costs, and price things right. But if you're willing to put in the work, this really does work. Want to see exactly how I find profitable products? Check our other videos where I walk through my entire research process. The team posts new content daily. Subscribe for more straightforward business advice without the fluff. See you in the next one.